It is just $5. I needed that. Let's see what we have here. I think a pizza sounds good for lunch today. Perfect, it is on the way. Oh, look, a huge online sale. This green shirt looks perfect. Let's buy it right now. Wow, that was fast. Wait, what is this charge? I definitely did not buy that. Wait, what is that? Oh no, not another one! This cannot be happening right now. Let's fix this budget. Goodbye, subscriptions! Now, watch my savings grow. Consistency is key.